Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to set up a VPN on your Android device. We'll be using UDP ThunderVPN for this tutorial, but the process is very similar for most VPN apps. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to download, install, and connect securely to protect your privacy and access restricted content from anywhere. Let's get started. Step 1. The easiest way is to open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for UDP ThunderVPN. If you don't find it there, you can visit the official UDP online website and download the app directly from the VPN section. Once you have the app file, tap on it and hit install. Wait a few moments for the process to finish. After installation, you can either tap open from the Play Store or launch the app from your home screen or app drawer. Step 2. When you open the app for the first time, you may see a splash screen followed by a permission request to allow notifications. You can choose Allow or Deny, but allowing notifications can be useful since it will notify you when the VPN is connected or disconnected. Step 3. On the main screen, you'll notice your connection status, which will show as disconnected at first. You'll also see options for selecting a protocol like UDP or Fast DNS, and a button to choose a server. Tap the Server button to see a list of available servers. You can let the app auto-select the fastest server or manually pick one depending on your needs. Step 4. Once you've selected a server, tap the large Start button. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to set up a VPN connection. This is a standard Android security prompt. Tap OK to continue. The app will begin connecting, and within a few seconds, the status will change to connected. The Start button will turn into a Stop button, and you may also see a notification confirming your secure connection. Congratulations, you are now connected to a secure VPN server. From this point, you can browse the internet safely with enhanced privacy. Step 5. When you're finished, simply go back to the app's main screen and tap Stop. The status will switch back to disconnected, giving you full control over when you want to use the VPN, and that's it. Setting up UDP ThunderVPN is quick, simple, and effective for secure browsing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.